Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to restore your deleted SMS messages. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm on my phone right now, so if I deleted a text message and I want to get it back, the first thing I want to do is to check and see my update, my backup, to see what I have saved, and then we can go from there. So the first thing to do is go to settings. And then we're going to go to your name right here, which opens up your iCloud and such. And then we're going to click on iCloud, then manage storage. And then the second one down on mine is my backups. And click on whatever phone you're using for this phone. All right, so on this phone, it says right here, my last backup was yesterday. So as long as that message came in yesterday, and that's the message I'm talking about that I deleted, like if whatever I have from yesterday, I can, reset my phone to. So any messages I sent today won't count, but if they were there yesterday, then we're good. So to get that back, what we're going to do is go back out of this, and we're now in our settings. We're going to go to general, and then scroll all the way down to reset. And here you get the reset menu. And what we want to do is click on the second option, which is erase all content and settings. And then from here, it gives you the option, to back up then erase. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is just erase now, and then you'll back up to your phone. And that way, whatever backup, which in this case would be the backup from yesterday, our phone will set to all the settings we had in place yesterday, along with all photos and all call logs and all text messages, SMS messages, which is what we want. So we'll just click on that, and then we'll hit reset, and you'll be good to go. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.